I'm packing for my trip to Florida. I always wear something on the plane that is comfortable, yet somewhat cute, like this little sweat outfit. Cozy, cute. I always bring a shawl that goes with it because we're in cold weather going to warm, that can also function as a blanket on the plane, but be used throughout the trip. And I always wear my heaviest items that I can also use on the trip. So this jean jacket will be somewhat warm to get on a plane from New York, but it also can be warm with the things I'm bringing. And I always bring fuzzy socks and some slip-on shoes that are the heaviest ones that I have. Separately, I pack in different packing cubes. I use the pink ones for my daughter. So if we're sharing a suitcase, her stuff is her stuff, my stuff is my stuff. And I use compression cubes for myself. So I will have either one day in each cube or one category in each cube. I also have a packing list. So it's a checklist. I always forget a hairbrush. I don't know why. So for sweaters, I just fold it in as we're used to, and then I roll. Always protect your purses, stuff them, and then put them inside either a dust bag, or in this case, I'm putting it in a makeup bag. It's helpful to choose a color scheme for the whole trip so you can minimize your accessories. And the bathing suit, which I keep in these bags, you could take an outfit and put it inside one of your bags. Take the beach bag and put one of your days or multiple days inside here, and then you take this whole beach bag, get it sideways so you really can maximize your space. So this compression bag, I've realized, has a lot more room, so I might be able to get all of my night outfits together in this one bag. Yep, I can do it. This is how you really maximize your space. So I make Bethenny glasses. We have these amazing cases that have these cleansing cloths, but they're good clutches for your trip too. Meaning, if you left your glasses in your room, you could take this, put your money, put your room key, put a lip gloss. There is no greater pain in the ass. There's no greater heartbreak. I don't buy that expensive hats, so I don't cry when they get crushed, or I buy hats that can get crushed. The way to do the hats is to stuff the inside very well. And what you do is it sort of goes at the bottom and you nest around it. It's in the middle, so it's getting supported, not squished, or wear the hat on the plane. Hats are just something you kind of gotta pray for the best. I just don't buy uber expensive hats. Girl, don't do it. It is not worth it. Don't forget on each trip to bring that solution bra. So one of those little bandeau tops or a little solution bra that has really thin straps that feels almost like nothing is a great idea.